Welcome to our roundup of the best stand mixers under $200. Budget-friendly kitchen appliances designed to make baking easier, faster, and more efficient without breaking the bank. Whether you're mixing cake batter, kneading dough, or whipping cream, a good stand mixer can save time and deliver consistent results. Even in this price range, many modern mixers offer powerful motors, multiple speed settings, large mixing bowls, and useful attachments for different tasks. Some models also include planetary mixing action for better ingredient blending and sturdy designs for stable operation. Choosing the right stand mixer under $200 can give you excellent performance while staying within budget. Let's take a closer look at some of the best affordable stand mixers available right now. Starting with the Martha Stewart stand mixer, this model is a stylish and functional option for home bakers who want reliable performance with an elegant design. It typically features a decent motor power suitable for everyday baking tasks like mixing batter, whipping cream, and light dough preparation. The multiple speed settings allow better control over mixing consistency for different recipes. Its sturdy base helps keep the mixer stable during operation. Many users appreciate its attractive design and user-friendly controls. Additionally, it delivers smooth and consistent mixing results. It also improves convenience, enhances efficiency, and supports regular baking needs. It also increases mixing consistency, improves ingredient blending, enhances ease of use, and ensures reliable performance for everyday home baking and light kitchen tasks. Next up is the Kamik stand mixer, a solid choice known for offering good performance at an affordable price point. This mixer typically features a powerful motor that can handle thicker batters and moderate dough mixing tasks. The large mixing bowl allows you to prepare bigger batches, making it suitable for families or frequent baking. Many versions include attachments like dough hooks, beaters, and whisks for added versatility. Users often appreciate its stable design and smooth operation. Additionally, it provides consistent performance across various recipes. It also improves workflow, enhances mixing efficiency, and supports reliable results. It also boosts motor performance, improves dough handling, enhances attachment flexibility, and ensures dependable operation during repeated and extended baking sessions at home. Moving on to the Seabury electric stand mixer. This model offers a strong balance of power, capacity, and convenience. It typically includes multiple speed settings and a spacious mixing bowl for handling different baking needs. The planetary mixing action helps ensure thorough ingredient blending for better results. Its sturdy construction provides stability during operation, even at higher speeds. Many users appreciate its ability to handle both light and moderately heavy mixing tasks. Additionally, it delivers consistent performance and smooth operation. It also improves efficiency, enhances mixing quality, and supports dependable baking performance. It also increases blending precision, improves batter consistency, enhances durability, and ensures stable performance across a wide range of baking and kitchen applications. Stepping up in performance, the Vivo Home stand mixer is designed for users who want more power and versatility without exceeding their budget. This mixer typically features a strong motor capable of handling thicker doughs and heavier mixtures with ease. The large capacity bowl supports bigger batches, making it ideal for regular baking. Many models include multiple attachments and adjustable speed settings for better control. Users appreciate its solid build quality and reliable performance. Additionally, it delivers consistent results and smooth operation. It also enhances convenience, improves control, and supports efficient baking workflows. It also boosts heavy-duty mixing performance, improves speed control accuracy, enhances durability, and ensures consistent results during demanding baking and frequent kitchen use. Taking the top spot is the Hamilton Beach stand mixer, a highly popular and reliable option known for its strong performance and value for money. This mixer typically features a powerful motor and multiple speed settings for handling a wide range of mixing tasks. The large mixing bowl and versatile attachments make it suitable from everything from light batters to heavier doughs. Many models include a tilt head design for easy access and cleaning. Users appreciate its durability and ease of use. Additionally, it delivers consistent mixing performance and long-term reliability. It also stands out for its versatility, performance, and overall value. It also enhances long-term durability, improves mixing precision, enhances versatility, and ensures top-level performance for both everyday baking and more demanding kitchen tasks. All of these stand mixers serve different needs depending on power, capacity, and features. The Martha Stewart mixer is ideal for stylish everyday use. The Kamiq mixer offers balanced performance and affordability. The Seabury mixer provides strong mixing capability with convenience. The Viva Home mixer delivers more power for heavier tasks. And the Hamilton Beach mixer stands out as the best overall option for value and performance. That wraps up our list of the best stand mixers under $200, from stylish beginner-friendly models to powerful mixers built for regular baking. If you're upgrading your kitchen on a budget, improving your baking results, or looking for a reliable mixer without overspending, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which stand mixer you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your baking easier and more enjoyable without going over budget.